Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is 6 Bad Clients Freelance Writers Should Avoid, Part 8. This is it, the last in our series on bad clients. Freelancers know they exist. Some writers get trapped in a cycle, one bad client after another, until burnout takes over. But bad clients don't have to be a constant in our career. So, how do you avoid them? First, qualify your prospects. Check their online reputation. Read reviews. If an employer has a history of bad ratings, walk away. Second, target your clients directly. Stick to the jobs that match your skills. If a post sounds good to be true, trust your gut. It might be a scam. And third, establish your presence. A blog, a website, or a solid online profile makes good clients come to you. Freelancing isn't just about finding work. It's about choosing the right clients. So stand out, set boundaries, and attract the clients you deserve. Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.